I'm going to be showing you how to fix cellular data not working on your iPhone 17, which I have right here.
And it's pretty easy to do. I've got a few different ways to fix this. Without further ado, the first thing you want to do is you simply just want to swipe down from the top right hand corner and just turn on airplane mode, and everything will basically turn off. It will stop looking for networks, including the Wi-Fi, AirDrop, and you just want to wait 10 seconds and turn this back on. And once you do that, this may fix your issue. Your hotspot may just start working. As you can see, my Wi-Fi and hotspot is working, but if it doesn't work the second way, so you just want to hold down on the top volume button in the power, hold down, wait 10 seconds, and slide to power off your phone. Now, when you wait 10 seconds, it will basically restart your phone completely. And to power back on the phone, all you do is you just hold down on this button right here, and it'll take about 10 seconds to turn back on, and you just want to log back in. And once you do that, you just go into settings. The third way to fix this is you go to settings, click on general, which is right here. You click on general, and then you click on software updates, and you just want to make sure your phone is actually up to date, because if it's not, then your hotspot may not work. And as you can see, currently mine is up to date. iOS 18 is the latest at the moment. And you just want to turn on automatic updates, I recommend, because this may be the reason it doesn't work. It's basically how you fix your hotspot not working. And you can do all of these methods once again. If none of them work, try something else and let others know in the comments below if it works.